Bok choy and cabbage stir fry, a perfect accompaniment to complete a spicy meal. Bok choy or pop choy and cabbage stir fry. These are the ingredients. 1 cabbage shredded in medium size, bok choy or pop choy shredded in medium size, scallion bottom slice and some fresh thyme leaves, 2 to 3 tablespoons of garlic infused oil, 2 teaspoons of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of water, and finally ½ teaspoon of salt or to taste. Heat the oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Toss in the scallion bottoms and allow it to infuse the oil. Be careful not to burn the scallions. Go ahead and toss in your vegetables. Add the salt to taste. Add the soy sauce and the water. Toss and allow the vegetables to cook but not soft. The vegetables should have a crunchy bite when it's done. Remove from the heat to serve. This is great. Serve with any spicy meal. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more simple recipes.